Next step is gonna be Indian Heads, Champagne Pool. We're gonna start fishing, and then we're gonna move to the west side. Beautiful sunsets. So guys, stay tuned, the best is yet to come. We arrived in Indian Heads. That one down there. Apparently the bypass for Indian Heads has one of the most soft sand in Fraser Island, along with Ningala rocks. Let's see how the mighty Prado will go. There are a few people bogged already. I'm a bit anxious. I wait for these people to leave, and then we're gonna give it a red hot go. Engage the 4x4. We are on, guys. Momentum is the key. No problem whatsoever. There we go, we are in the other side. How beautiful is that? We are going to the champagne pools. Polly said these, how many steps? 66 steps. That's not a lot.
That was nice.
We got a dingo here. He's having breakfast. Taylor for breakfast. That's nice, eh? Alrighty guys, that's what happens when you're not prepared. They don't have max racks, they don't have anything.
Polly is going to the rescue. Let's say it just went a little bit too late. They managed with 2 max tracks. The guy said he's gonna leave his unclicked, ready to go. Good luck, Polly.
got 2 more months.
Nah, not a drive.
This is not driving.
Nothing? Not gonna work?
No.
Pull it back? Maybe if we can pull it back and just on the
That's
side,
what we
then
wanna
everybody
do.
can pass.
By dragging back off the road.
Yeah, yeah. Just get off that'll look good. Yeah. There's a gap there.
Now I got to pull it out.
Vediamo scappato. Ok, stop it. No, lasciamo un pochino libero. Okay, okay. Are you good there? Can you pass? Can you get out? A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's it, that's it. I'm coming here. Go fast.
Let him go and hold back in there, and they can go past, and then Rodney can go past.
Alrighty guys, we found a little gutter that we're gonna try to fish. That one there. Hopefully we're gonna catch a tailor.
I lost it.
You lost it?
No.
Is there a fish or no?
Yeah.
Where?
Coming Polly.
Yeah! Bravo Polly!
Polly!
Your first tailor!
It's heavy, yeah?
Wow! That's a big one, Polly! That's a big one, Polly! Bravo Polly! There you go guys. Fraser Island tailor.
I caught it. No. Start. Damn. It's a good one though.
Yeah. That's a big duck. Duck. Finally a tailor, guys. We're gonna have to leave the fishing because it's time to go to the west side. It's gonna take a while. But anyway, we caught 2 tailors. The first one we put it back in the water, even though it was Sylvia's first tailor. And then we got a dart. I put it back in the water as well. And the last tailor, we kept it. See you at camp. We made it, guys. Now we're gonna have to find camp. Look at these guys. This way. We made it to the west coast and it's beautiful. Sunset over there. We're gonna make camping here. Lovely. Just love it. So guys, no fire allowed, so we're gonna have to improvise. Got this massive T-bone, look at that. Beauty. On the cast iron pan, sweet potato, and the ocean there. That's it guys, see you tomorrow morning. Doesn't get better than this. So guys, Volari Creek, definitely our best spot where we camp. It's basically a creek next to the ocean and you can camp next to it. It's just beautiful. Down there is the creek. The west coast is definitely a spot you guys have to check. Now we're gonna do a little bit of exploring and then we're gonna head back down because today is our last day, unfortunately, but it's okay. Here we are guys, we are in Moon Point on the west side of Fraser Island, and there is this creek. The water is crystal blue. We are the only one around.